chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 80.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signal and alarm tone were a test of NOAA All-Hazard Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of an impending hazard. The tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that the emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. Emergency alert system codes and alarm tone are used by weather warning and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties in north Kansas, and Polk and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All-Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test, and we now return to regular